Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yvonne, and before we get started on today's video, I just want to thank Beauty Glow for sending this package over. This is the package. I haven't opened it. It arrived around Christmas time, so I'm taking this as my Christmas present and I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys today. Ooh, it's so pretty. So this is how it looks. Then we got this card. So cool. It's my first time, guys. This is Bay, a new period comfort product by Beauty Glow. Basically, it's a heating pad to relieve period cramps, and it can also be used to relieve other muscle aches such as your back muscles. And what you have to do is just turn this around to the back. I've never used anything like this before because I don't really get period cramps, but when I do, it's very mild, and because I'm not used to that, even the very mild discomfort makes me unproductive. So I'm really excited to try this soon. I'll definitely update you guys after I've used it, but for now I'm just gonna talk about what I see because obviously I don't know how well it works yet. There's a strap here for you to wrap it around your body, your torso. It's pretty. It looks really good quality. There's a wire here. I'm not sure what it's for. Power? I'm guessing this goes here. Oh no, I don't think it does. I plugged it in and then there was a light. And finally, it also comes with this cable to charge this power bank thing with. Once again, I want to thank Beauty Glow for sending the package over so that I can try their new product, Bay. So if you're interested in the product, make sure to check out Beauty Glow on Instagram at Beauty Glow Cares, as they also do personalized beauty care packages. Now let's move on to the vlog. Today, we're making cookies. Measure 125 grams of sugar. We're gonna use our new spoons, measuring spoons. Now Elaine's gonna mix this. Wow, strong girl. Wow, me. She's doing all the work because my hands hurt again. Stop. Stop. You stop. I poured too much flour. And this is what I'm doing now. We're gonna check now. I don't think it's done because it wasn't hot enough. It looks like it hasn't changed much, but it actually smells really good. It doesn't look done. It looks pretty done at the back, but not the top because we made it too thick. It looks so good. It's dry. Good. It's crispy on the outside and kind of chewy on the inside.
beautiful.
As they also do personalized beauty care packages.